Zaha Hadid and the Beijing Daxing International Airport design story. The Beijing Daxing International Airport is a masterpiece of architectural design by Zaha Hadid Architects. The airport is inspired by traditional Chinese architecture and features a central building with 6 arms, resembling a phoenix spreading its wings from the aerial view. The design is also based on the traditional Chinese architecture principle, which interconnects various spaces around a common courtyard. The central building of the airport is called the Grand Courtyard, and it is surrounded by 5 concourses, each of which can accommodate up to 100 aircraft. The concourses are connected to the Grand Courtyard by a series of bridges and walkways. The design of the airport is intended to be efficient and user-friendly. The farthest boarding gate can be reached within a walking time of less than 8 minutes. The airport also features a number of sustainable features, such as a rainwater collection and water management system, and a solar panel system. The Beijing Daxing International Airport is the largest single-building terminal in the world, and it is expected to handle up to 100 million passengers per year. The airport was designed to be a symbol of China's economic and technological progress, and it is a testament to the visionary design of Zaha Hadid Architects. Here are some of the specific design features of the airport that are attributed to Zaha Hadid's architectural style. The fluid and curvilinear forms of the airport are characteristic of Hadid's work. The use of light and space is masterfully executed, creating a sense of openness and transparency. The attention to detail is evident in the way that the materials have been used and the way that the spaces have been organized. The Beijing Daxing International Airport is a landmark achievement in architectural design. It is a bold and visionary project that has transformed the landscape of Beijing and has set a new standard for airport design. The airport is a testament to the genius of Zaha Hadid and her team of architects, and it is sure to be admired for generations to come.